Hi everybody, I am now going to the farm. Going back to the farm, everyone. But I am gonna be getting something here at my sister's house. It's close. I think I need to go the other way. Wait. So let's go. I just picked something there. It's a vinegar that you use for dipping lechon. Yes, that's mine. So I get it. I'm gonna bring it here at the farm because that's so yummy. So I probably am gonna interview the lady who lives here next time if I'm not busy. So let's go here, everybody. I'm gonna go here by myself because the kids are still at school. So I'm gonna go to the farm by myself. Oh, I have you guys here. So in case there is something happen to me, you should know. So still a good weather, which is good. That's what we need for harvesting the rice. So I uploaded the video about the half concrete house, everybody. I don't know if you watched it already, but that was a neighbor house. Yes, we had a new neighbor here, and they are building that um, tiny house. It's a half concrete house, half hollow block house, everybody, and the cement on the floor, and then it's a double walling actually because they put a wood inside, and outside is a makan, it's a bamboo wall. So yeah, I was like, the house is so pretty. I asked the neighbor if I can do a video, and I forgot to ask how much is that kind of house concrete. Yeah, I forgot to ask everybody. Maybe next time if I cross there again, I'm gonna ask how much it cost that kind of house. But what I have said, the house that I like is all hollow blocks, everybody. Yes, all hollow blocks, guys, so that it won't destroy by the typhoon. As you all know that we always have typhoon here in the Philippines. Oh, it's so hot. The ice is melting already. So I am now going to the farm, everybody. This is the food for the one who helped me there at the farm. This is bread also, and I bought the chicken. So let's go, everybody. Look at myself. I feel like I'm a mess. Charot. So this is the weather here today, everybody, and it's melting. The ice that I bring is melting already. Yeah, melting ice. It's I think before I reach to the farm, my ice is already melted because it's really hot here, everybody. Look, I don't know if you see it. Oops, it's melting, everybody. Whew. So this is the lady farmer, everybody. This is how I bring the things. I put it in my head. I put it in my head, everyone. Ta-da! Hi, everybody. This is the day 2 of harvesting my rice. Tomorrow is the final of my rice. So stay tuned, everybody. Whew. It's hot. It's hot, everybody. My ice, the ice that I bring is melting. It's melting, everybody. I don't think it will be uh, still ice when I get there at at the farm because it's melting. I don't know if you see it. Look, it's leaking. Oh no, it's really hot here, everybody. It's really hot here, everyone. It's really hot. Everybody is laughing at me. I'm doing video and holding this one. It's crazy. We're here on our way to go at that forested area over there. Whew. I need shade, everybody. My ice is melting. I don't think if it's still ice when I get there at the house. Oh no, not cool. Whew. Everyone, help me. Help me, please. I'm so tired. So let's go in this way. Maybe this one is shortcut. Shortcut. I don't think it's shortcut, but let's go in this way. Let's go to the farm. Day 2, everybody. Day 2 of harvesting the rice. As you can see here, I'm the only person. Oh, there is a pedicab there. So this is me, myself, and I with my bread and my ice that melting already. There is a lot of people here. No, it's not a lot of people. Actually, I'll just be myself and I. So I don't know if you see it, but it's melting. Melting, everybody. And it's cold. And it's cold, everybody. It's melting. Going to my body. My God. It's crazy. Wait. Huh? It's heavy. It's a little bit heavy, everybody. So let's go to the farm, everyone. People here that don't have a cell phone, so I cannot text them that, hey, I am coming here. I am on my way. Please pick me up. They don't have phone, everyone. Whew. It's super duper hot here, everybody. Whew. We're here at this quiet place, everybody. Ta-da! It's almost afternoon. I didn't wait my nephew and my niece because they are still at the school. They are actually half day today, and yeah, but they will come here after their class for sure. But I did not wait because as what I have said, I need to feed the worker here. So let's go, everybody. Whew. Let's go to the farm with this food in my hand. I did not put it in my hand anymore because the ice is melting. Whew. Everybody, help me. Actually, I miss doing live stream, everybody. I hope you still with me. I hope when I came back doing my live stream, you still be there. I am a bit busy here in the farm, so I cannot do a live stream, everybody. But once I get done with this, I'm gonna do live stream, but also I'm gonna fence the land that I am going to build my future home. So yeah, I hope to see you guys again soon on my live stream, everybody. And I hope you're still there. I hope my community still here with me when I came back on my live stream. So this is the weather here today. Today it's super duper hot. Everybody. Whew. So we almost there, everybody. Whew. I can't wait. I'm hungry already. I am hungry. Whew. I don't know if you remember before, yesterday that I have uploaded a video that this house is here, they block the original way. They put a fence, everyone. So instead of this way, we can, we go to the left because they put fence, everybody. We're almost here, everybody. We're gonna cross the famous road, famous bridge here, everybody. The famous bridge is here. Ta-da! Ta-da, everyone! You're not done here yet. Look at that. So nice here, everybody. So nice here at the farm. I want to live here. Oops. Oh my god, I keep falling here. Look at the river. It's dry. It's El Nino here. It's dry. Look at that. No water at all. Everybody. That's how super duper hot here in the Philippines. Everybody. There's no water at all in the river. It's dry because of super duper hot here. I'm finally arrived. I'm finally arrived, everybody. Here. We are now going to harvest the rice here. Oops. We're gonna harvest the rice. Still hot though, but it's not that bad at all. It's not bad at all, everybody. The hot weather is not bad at all. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna start over here, everybody. We're gonna start harvesting again. So we're gonna harvest again, everybody. This is the last. Tomorrow is our final tomorrow. So we need to finish this, everyone. So this is what we do, guys. We cut this rice into this short, because when we put it in the machine, it will be easy to get um this rice. You need to cut it really short, everybody, so that when you put it in the machine, it will be easy for the machine to get all this rice, everybody. So that's why we cut it really short, like that. You can see we cut here too short, like that, everybody, so that the machine will get easily process the rice, like that short, because as you can see, the steam of the rice is so huge, everybody. So that's the steam of the rice, everyone. So we cut it over here, like that, in order for the machine to get easily processed, to take off this uh rice and the steam, like that. So we cut it short, everyone. So everyone, these are the finish. It's not finished yet, but yeah, almost. Tomorrow is our final. Um, there will be a machine who will come tomorrow morning to process this for the final process tomorrow. For day 3 and the final process, everybody. Look at that. Please comment and guess how many sacks could I have to this 4 uh, what do you call it, stack of this rice. My guess is only like 10 below. Yes, that only I can have, I think, because my rice is not that healthy, but I'm still grateful to God because we still have this, we still have the rice to harvest. So yeah, I'm still grateful no matter how many it is, even though like 7 or 5, yeah, that's enough for me. At least we had. So I'm forever grateful, and yes. And to all of you guys, I know you know who you are, who helped me since day 1 planting the rice, because I was stressed for uh, renting the water pump and all like that. So thank you so much, everybody, and this is it. Tomorrow is the final, and I don't know how many sacks that we can have this rice, how many bags, how many bags of rice that we can get, but I am guessing 7 or 10 bags of rice, hopefully. But whatever it is come out, I'm still grateful, everybody. So stay tuned for tomorrow, everyone, because we're gonna finish this, and it's already sun. The sun is hiding. It's already dawn, everybody, and I am going to go home because I am tired. So please put your guess how many bags you think I can have tomorrow. Put your answer in the comment on this video, everybody. I am now going home, everyone, because it's already 5, almost 6, but still sunny. You still can see the sunset there. So let's go, everyone. Tomorrow is the 3rd and last day for this rice, and we'll see how many bags we can get tomorrow on our final. And yes, I'm gonna go home and buy food for tomorrow's workers who will work for the machine for the final process. So I'm gonna buy also a fish because they eat everybody before they start working. So I'm gonna have a breakfast for them, prepare. So I'm gonna go home to buy food for them. So that's all for today's everybody. And I hope you like this video. And again, please put your guess how many bugs we can get on this harvesting, right? What's that? So yeah, guess how many bugs you will guess how many bugs we can get on this rice. For me, it's 10 or 8, like that below. So thank you everybody. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on my upcoming videos just like this. And tomorrow is our final. So put your guess on how many bugs we can get. Bye.